Next section, personality development. Specific objectives, overview, definition of personality development, alteration in personality, scope of personality development, perspectives of personality development, factors affecting personality development, importance of personality development, and building positive personality. Detail going on. Personality development is the relatively enduring pattern of thoughts, feelings, and behaviors that distinguish individual from one another. The dominant view in the field of personality psychology today holds that personality emerges early and continues to change in meaningful ways throughout the lifespan. Adult personality traits are believed to have a basis in infant temperament, meaning that individual differences in disposition and behavior appear early in life, possibly even before language or conscious self-representation develop. The 5-factor model of personality has been found to map onto dimensions of childhood temperament, suggesting that individual differences in levels of the big 5 personality traits, neuroticism, extraversion, openness to experience, agreeableness, and conscientiousness, are present from young ages. Can you define personality development? Personality development is the development of the organized pattern of behaviors and attitudes that makes a person. Personality development occurs by the ongoing interaction of temperament, character, and environment. It is the growth of habitual pattern of behavior in childhood and adolescence. Alterations in personality. The act or process of altering or change personality by means of brain washing, re-education, brain sweeping, coercive persuasion, thought control, thought reform, and behavioral traits. Scope of personality development. Appearance A. B. Intelligence. C. Psyche. D. Behavior. E. Knowledge. F. Quality of birth time personality. G. Shaping of the basic personality, heights, role related, modeling of personality. Dimensions of personality development. Behavioral dimension, emotional dimension, mental dimension, physical dimension, and social dimension. Perspectives of personality development. First, evolutionary perspective. Second, lifespan perspective. Detail going on. First, evolutionary perspective. An evolutionary perspective based primarily on the evolutionary process of natural selection has been proposed to explain variations in human personality and individuality. From this perspective, evolution introduced variations of the human mind, and natural selection acts on these by choosing which were the most beneficial and which lead to a great fitness. Due to human complexity, many opposing personality traits proved to be beneficial in diverse ways. The evolutionary perspective traces personality and individuality back to when the early humans were learning how to function in complex social groups. Many specialists from different fields have a general agreement that early humans saw themselves as a part of the group to which they belonged, rather than seeing themselves as individuals with independent personalities. Second, lifespan perspectives. Classic theories of personality, such as Freud's tripartite theory and post-Freudian theory, including developmental stage theories and type theories, have often held that perspective that most personality development occurs in childhood and that personality is stable by the end of adolescence. Currently, lifespan perspectives that integrate theory and empirical findings dominate the research literature. The lifespan perspective of personality is based on the plasticity principle, that personality traits are open systems that can be influenced by the environment at any age. This interactional model of development emphasizes the relationship between an individual and her environment and suggests that there is a dialectic between continuity and change throughout the lifespan. Factors affecting personality development. First factor, individual factors. Second, social factors. Detail about individual factors. The individual factors are that factors of the person. The factors may be sometimes not changeable or developed. The individual factors include: first, heredity. Heredity is something that passes from generation to generation. It is due to the genetic transfer from parent to children. That is, the skills and traits that pass from parent to children as it is. B. Physique. Physique of a person affects his personality. That is, his or her enduring biological makeup affects his personality. The body types are short, tall, thin, muscular. The body type will be factor of personality. C. Biological factors. The endocrine glands like thyroid, parathyroid, pituitary gland, adrenal gland, gonads, etc. will affect personality of a person. This ability enabled him to mold the social environment according to his requirements. D. Nervous system. Nature of nervous system also affects personality development of a person. E. Intelligence. Persons who are very intelligent can make better adjustment in social environment. Second, social factors. Detail going on. Other than the individual factors, some social factors will also affect the personality of a person. These are factors acquired due to the surrounding of a person. Some social factors which affect the personality of a person are as follows. A. Family. First and the foremost factor that influences the personality development of a person is his family. Parents' behavior and attitude, their expectations from the child, their education and attention to the child influences the children's personality. The type of experiences received from family in early childhood will play an important role in the development of personality. Economic and social condition of the family will also influence a child's personality. B. School. Next social factor that affect the child's personal development is the school. School atmosphere and discipline affects personality development of a child. Teachers' personality and character, peer students' attitude and character all influences personality of a children's development. Maturation improves the coordination of a numerous relationship. D. Early experience. One's experience is influencing the personality of a person. Better experience and positive experience suffered by person early in the stage of life is also affects personality of a person. E. Successes and failures. Successes and failures suffered in the life also play a key role in developing personality of a person. It may play a role of motivation and demotivation in a person's life. F. Culture. The cultural traditions, values accepted in a particular society or the cultural environment. These factors influence development of child's personality. G. Physical and social. Physical and social environment such as country of birth, and living will also affect the development of a child's personality. There are many other factors like language, interpersonal relationship, social role, and ability to observe or perceive or think, etc. will also affect the development of personality. Importance of personality development. First important, personality development grooms an individual and helps him make a mark of his or her own. Individuals need to have a style of their own for others to follow them. Personality development not only makes you look good and presentable but also helps you face the world with a smile. 2. Personality development goes a long way in reducing stress and conflicts. It encourages individuals to look at the brighter side of life, face even the worst situation with a smile. Trust me, flashing your $1 trillion smile will not only melt half of your problems but also evaporate your stress and worries. Third, personality development helps you develop a positive attitude in life. An individual with a negative attitude finds a problem in every situation rather than cripping and criticizing people around. Analyze the whole situation and try to find an appropriate solution for the same. Remember, if there is a problem, there has to be a solution as well. Never lose your cool. It would make the situation worse. 4. Personality development helps an individual to develop positive qualities like punctuality, flexible attitude, willingness to learn, friendly nature, eagerness to help others. Never hesitate to share information with others. Always reach office on time. Some people have tendency to work till late. Late sitting not only increase your stress level but also spoil your personal life. Sitting till late at the office indicates that an individual is extremely poor in time management skill. Personality development tips. 1. Do not compare your life to others. 2. Do not have negative thoughts. 3. Do not overdo. Keep your limits. 4. Do not take yourself so seriously. 5. Do not waste your precious energy on gossip. 6. Dream more while you are awake. Building positive personality. First, accept responsibility. 2. Show consideration. 3. Win to win. 4. Choose your words carefully. 5. Never complain and condemn. 6. Smile and be kind. 7. Put positive interpretation. 8. be good listener. 9. Be enthusiastic. 10. Give honest and sincere appreciation. 11. When you make a mistake, accept it and make it easy to amend. 12. Discuss but do not argue. 13. Do not gossip. 14. Turn your promises into commitment. Fifteen. Be grateful but do not expect gratitude. 16. Be dependable and practice loyalty. 17. Avoid bearing grudges. 18. Practice honesty, integrity and sincerity. 19. Practice humility. 20. Be understanding and caring. 21. Practice courtesy on daily basis. 22. Develop a sense of humor. 23. Do not be strict and put others down. 24. To have a friend. Be a friend. 25. Show empathy. Thank you. Have a good day.